Greetings, students. This is Mr. Vanderhyde. I'm going to show you how to use ThatQuizorg in order to sharpen your multiplication and division facts. First thing that you'll want to do is to go ahead and type in ThatQuizorg. Once you do that, you'll have a variety of things to choose from outside of math, including different languages, geography, and science. But we're going to focus in on math and focus in specifically right here on arithmetic. When we press arithmetic, we're given a sample problem. And what we're going to do with the menu on the left is just select multiplication and division. Our length is the number of problems we're going to do in this particular exercise. I would suggest more than 20 so that we can get in a rhythm of practicing those things. I'm going to select 30. I'm going to leave the timer as none. If I click that on, you can select a timer, and what happens is it shuts down the exercise after 30 seconds, after 1 minute, after 4 minutes. You can still figure out how long it takes you to do the exercise by looking at the clock. Also, while we're looking at the clock right above, it'll tell you how you're doing in terms of right or wrong answers. I've selected multiplication and division. I've selected level 10, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start. Once I put my answer into this space, that's when the clock starts. 4 divided by 2, 2. And you can see that the timer started 8 times 3, 24, et cetera, et cetera. Now, if you find that you've had too much that were wrong, you can always just reset the exercise. Shoot for 80 to 90% correct. All right, that's the lesson on using ThatQuizorg for multiplication and division facts. We'll see you in class.